Hi, and welcome to Projects 360. This video is going to be how to generate a change order and push that change order over to the project. So we're inside of a proposal right here. It's the Allen Theater System. And to create a change order, we'll want to go into this proposal builder. So go up to the cog in the right-hand corner and go to Build Proposal. We'll want to start out by selecting the product we want to remove. So in this scenario, let's say in the family room, we have a 75-inch television. It's too big. We need to go down to a 65. So what we're going to do is go into this existing proposal, go to the product right here, go to the cog over to the right, click on it, and there's a little toolbox right here. When you hover over, it'll say change order. You'll click on it. It'll then prompt the change order process. So if there were existing change orders tied to this proposal, they would be listed here because our change orders are child proposals of the parent proposal. So in this case, there are none. So I'm going to hit the plus symbol right here to create a new change order. It's going to prompt an automatic title, which is going to take the existing title of the proposal and just add CO and that day's date for change order. You can edit this. Just click on it and you can edit it to whatever you want. You can also add a description of what this change order is right here and update that if you'd like, but that's not required. So if you don't want to, you can just click OK. And so now the change order has been created. And it's going to prompt you, and it's going to ask you, are you finished adding products and packages to your change order? If not, you can return to the proposal and continue to grab some stuff. So if there's some other stuff we have to pull out of that or change out, we can do so. Or if we're good, we can just go to Open Change Order, where that's what we're going to do in this case. And it opens a change order. So you can see how the title that we're inside the change order here. So we're going to go over to the cog again and go to Build Proposal and go into the change order itself. And then we're going to go into that family room and under televisions. And here's that 75-inch. I'm going to click on the quantity and change it to a -1 because we want to remove that. So we're going to hit -1 and save. So now that becomes a negative. And then it's just like building a proposal. So we're just in the proposal tool. So everything works the same. So let's say I want to look for my Sony XBR 65-inch. I can go grab it, drag it in. It'll prompt you if there's any accessories attached to it. In this case, I don't want any accessories. So I added that. And I can continue to add product to other locations or whatever I'd like. Again, like I mentioned, it's just like a proposal. But say I'm done, then I can go and generate the change order for the client, just like I would a proposal, where I go to Generate Proposal, select my filtering features, how I want to do it. If I want to, use that systems filter, whatever I want, select my cover image, and then I generate it, and here's the change order. Looks just like the proposal, has the positive and negatives. This particular case, it's a negative change order, has the contract still attached to it, and the payment schedule. And you can remove the payment schedule if you want, if you don't want to have that. But that's how you create a change order. But then once that change order is approved and everything, you're going to want to go back into the change order here, and you're going to want to go over to push and relate to projects. Because remember how we created the project from the parent proposal? Well, we don't want to create a new project. We want to associate this with that same project. So I'm going to go over to push to related projects. I'm going to click on the little plus symbol right here. And I'm going to search for my project, which is right here. I'm going to select it, hit OK. And now I've associated that. And now it's going to prompt you through, do you want to push everything over? I do. Hit next. Do I want to push labor over also? Which in this case, see how it's 0? Because we have one positive and one negative of equal. Each one had 1 labor hour of final labor on it. So there's nothing on that, but I still want to push it over and just hit save. And now That's been pushed over into the project here. We're in the project, but now see, now there's a drop down for the select the proposals, and here's your parent proposal, and now here's your change order. So the guys can pull up the change order and see the change order also. That is how you create a change order in Projects 360. Thank you, and have a great day.